Today I wanna show you how to download any movie subtitle. First, copy the name of movie. I want to show you how to download subtitle any movie. First, copy your movie name. Go to browser and paste in the search box. Enter and remove the dot and write English subtitle if you need English subtitle. English subtitle. Here we can see many subtitle. Download it. Here we can found a SRT file. Go to download, copy it and paste the destination folder. And rename this subtitle file like as movie file name. Then open KM player. Or any other player that supported subtitle.
I'm just saying there's wickedness.